Alright, today I wanted to do a review and talk about this accessory table slash tray for my Traeger. It's really convenient. It sits right here in front of the grill, so as you're working with stuff you can have it accessible and available. You can also see, if you look down underneath here, these are felt tabs that I put on my grill legs, because this opens up and falls down. And previously, when I would walk across my deck, this would shake just a tiny bit and give me this rattly tingy sound. So I fixed it with those little felt tabs. But otherwise, it hinges on the bottom. There's a little lock here, so you just slide it up, lift it up, lock it down, and it's good to go. So if the grill master in your family needs something for the holidays, or Father's Day, or Mother's Day, or special occasion, this is something I would definitely recommend. It's a nice addition to the Traeger.